In today's video, I'm going to teach you GitHub Copilot versus ChatGPT. Which AI is better? Let's break this down clearly so you can pick the right tool for your workflow. Both GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT use AI to boost efficiency and reduce manual work, but they're built with different priorities in mind. Copilot is designed specifically for software development and code completion, while ChatGPT supports coding, writing, research, and general productivity tasks. Think of Copilot as a coding accelerator and ChatGPT as a versatile assistant you can apply across many projects. The better fit really depends on what you do most and how you like to work. When it comes to coding and development, Copilot integrates directly into your code editor to provide real-time code suggestions as you type. This helps you write boilerplate faster, follow common patterns, and keep momentum without switching context. It shines in day-to-day developer workflows where speed and flow matter. ChatGPT, on the other hand, excels at explaining code, debugging errors, and teaching programming concepts. If you're trying to understand why something works, compare approaches, or walk through logic line by line, ChatGPT is incredibly helpful. Use Copilot to generate code quickly. Use ChatGPT to deepen understanding, troubleshoot issues, or reason through design decisions. Beyond coding, their focus shifts. Copilot primarily targets software development tasks, staying close to your repository and editor. ChatGPT stretches further, assisting with content creation, business tasks, and research alongside coding. It offers conversational problem-solving and brainstorming, which is great for planning features, writing documentation, drafting proposals, or exploring ideas before you implement them. Both tools can automate repetitive tasks and improve productivity, but ChatGPT's flexibility makes it easier to bridge technical and non-technical work in the same session. So, which AI is better? Choose GitHub Copilot if your priority is day-to-day coding speed and you live inside an IDE. It helps you move fast, fill in the gaps, and keep shipping. Choose ChatGPT if you want broader AI assistance and learning support across coding, writing, and analysis. Many developers use both together. Copilot to accelerate implementation and ChatGPT to explain, plan, and debug. Ultimately, the best choice depends on whether you need focused coding assistance or an all-purpose AI assistant that adapts to many tasks. Whichever you pick, align it with your goals, keep your workflow simple, and let the AI handle the routine so you can focus on the hard, interesting problems.